Well, just like I made mention in my previous video on Telegram, I said I'm going to show you guys how you can share a QR code of your Snapchat profile. So this is the video. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. It's very simple, but then a lot of people search this keyword on YouTube. That's why I'm making this video. So now let's get going with the main part of this video. So you just hop on your Snapchat like this and you move to this section. You just move to your profile. Anyhow you get to your profile is up to you. Just move to your profile. So I just need to tap on my Bitmoji and then I move to my profile. Good. So this is my profile on Snap. So what I need to do is just tap on the share and then I'm good to go. It's nothing complicated. Let me move this down here and then let me tap on the share here. Good. And you can see this is my QR code for my Snapchat. So I can even copy it if I want to copy something like that, and then I can send it out. So you can send it out straight away. But then you can copy it, you can share it to your friends and families on Telegram, WhatsApp, and the rest. So that's it on how you can share your QR code of your profile on Snapchat. It's very much simple and easy. So with me, because I'll be dropping a lot of tutorials on Snapchat. If you're new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.